Hey, what's up YouTube? I have a review for you guys today. I have the GMP flash hider full metal. It's a CQB version. It's an amplifier. And I have the stock M4 flash hider that came with my Scar. And we're going to see how much of a difference the GMP flash hider makes from the stock. So I am just going to first I'm going to have the stock one on. I'm going to do a couple of semi-auto shots. I'm going to go full auto. Then I'm just going to switch the clip to the GMP. I'm going to do the same thing. So here we go.